Hello, I'm looking for Frog. Have you seen him? Is he on the chair? No. Is he behind the door? No. Is he in the garden? Yes, there he is. Hello, Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog is watering the flowers. Look, he's got a watering can. Plants need water, and so do animals. We need to drink lots of water too. It's very good for us. Water is noisy. Listen. Hello, I'm Georgie and I like splashing. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Can you say splash, splash? Water can make other sounds too. Listen. Drip, 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 drip. Splash, 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 splash. Drip, 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 drip. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Croak, croak.